This is rcher's BV51 Backpack Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The machine is available with mains power or as a hybrid with either battery or mains power. The combination of lightweight and carefully designed straps makes the BV51 very comfortable to wear and easy to use. The strap system was designed with the market-leading German rucksack manufacturer Deuter. It has all the features you'd expect from a high-quality rucksack: a back panel that reduces heat buildup, lots of padding, and lots of adjustment to achieve a good fit on almost any size of operator. The on-off switch can be operated while the machine is being worn. Accessories are stored on the belt for easy access. The hybrid version features two powerful lithium-ion batteries that attach to the waist belt, meaning the weight of the batteries is carried on the hips and not on the back. The batteries last for around 45 minutes between charges, and the machine can also be operated on mains power. Being a rcher vacuum, the performance of the machine is very high. This straight connection from the hose to the machine optimizes airflow and reduces the risk of blockages, and the telescopic suction tubes give a great range of working distances, from close up to high up. The BV51 vacuum cleaner from rcher. Great performance, comfort and convenience.